I was just able to open 10 mystery boxes in under 10 minutes. As you all know, I've been in a huge mystery box kick lately, and I've been sharing everything with you that I uncover in these boxes. Well, Gemlit is a site that reached out to me that is a new type of mystery box where it's virtually all online, that you open the boxes and then whatever you actually receive in the box, they will either give you a credit for on your account so that you can open more boxes, or you can have that item shipped to you. So I wanted to give them a try and see what I could find in these mystery boxes. And guys, it was super fun. So the first thing I did is that I created an account and had some money loaded on it so I could start opening these mystery boxes. First one that caught my attention was this Easter one because it's limited time only, and being a first time mom, I'm definitely more in the Easter spirit this year and wanted to open that box. Also, it was only $26-ish, so I thought it was a good place to start. Another thing that's really cool about this site is that underneath each box, it shows you the chances you have of getting one of the things inside the box and everything that you could possibly get. So I gave it a spin and I was super excited that I actually got an uncommon item on my first try, which was very exciting. Now, it wasn't anything super extravagant, but it was worth $28, and I do need an egg set for my child this year, so I did decide to have it shipped to me. It is an additional cost that just comes out of your balance, so I just clicked that and I filled out all the information so that I could have it arrive. The next box that I was really excited to try was the Jordans box, because as a reseller, if I could get a pair of Jordans for under 70 bucks, that would be amazing. They resell super well, and it's just one of those Bolo brands. So I went ahead and took the spin, but I only got some credits. That is the cool thing about this though, that even if you don't get an item, you always get some sort of credit or something from the box. Another cool thing about the site is that you do get to level up as you open more and more boxes, and then through that get more free boxes. I, at this point, had already gotten 2 free boxes that I'm going to open with you right now. This time around, I only ended up getting credits for each of these boxes when I opened them. But hey, if it's free, it's for me. And I'm sure if I keep opening the boxes, eventually I'm bound to get something. So next, I decided to go back to that original Easter box that I did because I got lucky at that one, so I wanted to give it another try. Now, the first time, I did get credits again, which... But the second time I spun, I was super excited because I actually got a really nice tripod. And here's the thing, I do already have a tripod as a content creator and reseller. Well, a tripod light thing, like a ring light. So instead, I used it to get more money to do more spins because it was worth like 3 times the amount I had just used. So I was pretty impressed with that. Then I pressed my luck and opened that box again and got credits. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. For my next box, I found this budget-friendly one, and I'm always trying to ball on a budget. So I clicked on it to see a little bit more of what it had, and it had some great options and was less than $3. So I did decide to give it a couple spins. So I spun this one a couple times and I got credits every single time. But honestly, like, what do you expect? Like, it was the budget-friendly one. It was a very low chance of getting any of the higher-priced prizes, but there is always that small chance, and that's what I love about a mystery box. Next, I decided to open the laptop or nothing mystery box. I was super excited by this one because it was a pretty reasonable price, and they had some very silly prizes. Like, I thought that this little children's laptop as one of the prizes, so funny, and kind of like a little gag for spinning this wheel. So I gave it a spin, and come on. I got credits. Next, I decided to try my luck by opening the New York City, like, dream vacation mystery box. My husband and I are actually going to New York this summer, so any of these prizes would be amazing. I also really like the Lego. We're big Lego people, so being able to win a free Lego set when especially Legos are so expensive would be... Well, I guess it's not free. I did pay for it through the mystery box, but you know what I'm saying. I'm very excited to see what we get with this box. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. Oh. Well, I mean, that's not too bad. And it is a very high amount of money back you get for getting the guide. I will not be having the guide sent to me. I do not want the guide. I'm more of a, you know, phone looker upper person, not a bring a paper guide with me. But this one was fun. I did like this one. Oh, this one was silly. They had this box that was, you either get an iPhone or 20 boxes of Barilla? I'm sorry if I mispronounced it. Basically 20 boxes of pasta. So I did decide to open this one up, and while it's spinning, I'm gonna let you guys in on my little 2 cents for this box. I think it would be such a fun gag gift. Imagine giving this to someone and being like, I got you the chance to win an iPhone or 20 boxes of pasta, and having them spin it and see what they get. And first of all, if they get the pasta, funny. And if they get the iPhone, amazing. I just think that's such a fun little like gag gift to give at like a white elephant or something like that. You could literally bring your computer and have them unwrap a paper that says like free, like a mystery box, and then pull out your computer or phone and have them open the box live right there. Pink is my favorite color, and I've always been an apple girly, so a pink apple box, yes, that is for me. I decided to open that one next, and for like under 25 bucks, if I win anything apple, 100% worth it. So I took my chance and I opened this box and I got oh my gosh, I got a mini portable iPad case, or an iPad mini portable case. Sorry, English is hard. I unfortunately do not have an iPad mini though. I have like a normal sized iPad. So instead I did take the extra money that came with this specific box, but it was more than I spent on the box. So hey, I am coming out on top. Last but not least, I did decide to try out that New York box again because, I don't know, you know how you guys sometimes have a good feeling about something? I had a good feeling about the New York mystery box, so I decided to go ahead and open that one again. Start spreading the news, I'm leaving today, I want to be a part of it, New York, New York! Oh, okay, I'm excited. I told you guys before, I really love Lego, so this is going to be so fun for me and my husband to build, and I think it's a great way to kind of close out opening all these mystery boxes. So my final thoughts. I do think that these mystery boxes are a ton of fun. I think they're great for little gag gifts like I explained before. And I think it's just fun, you know, to have that instant gratification of opening that mystery box right there online and not having to wait for it to come in the mail. Also, I really like the idea that you can instantly exchange your winning item for more credits to keep opening mystery boxes / more cash to open mystery boxes instead of having to get that item. Because when you order a physical mystery box in the mail, you're kind of stuck with that item even if you don't want it, whereas this, you're not. And I think that is great because it really cuts back on the waste and is more sustainable, so they're not sending out items to people that people don't want. There is an alternative. If you want to give this a try, I do have a link in the link tree in my bio. Again, I had a ton of fun and I hope you guys do too. And you can open some mystery boxes right from the comfort of your own home. Anyway, be sure to like and follow for more mystery box content as well as some reselling and thrifting tips and tricks.